Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can add cleaning fee to your Airbnb listing. If it is a new listing you're creating and you can't see the cleaning fee anywhere, don't get confused. This is how Airbnb works. When you're creating the listing for the first time, you won't see the option for cleaning fee. But as soon as you publish the listing, and if you go back into the listing, then you will see cleaning fee in the settings there, which I'm going to show you now. Once you're logged into Airbnb, just click on switch to hosting on the top right section. That will take you to your hosting dashboard, and then click on calendar in the top menu. And then you will need to click on your listing name once again on the left hand side. And in this view, on the right hand side, you will see pricing and availability. Stay on pricing tab and then scroll down. Towards the bottom, you will see additional charges. Click on the fee option. And the first option you see on this page is the cleaning fee. You can just simply click on it, and it will let you type in whatever is the figure for you. Once done, just click on save. You can also add a short stay cleaning fee. If you want to charge a different cleaning fee for 1 night or 2 night stays, you can mention that here, and Airbnb will automatically apply that to 1 or 2 night stays. When you change the cleaning fee here, it will only apply to the future bookings. It cannot be applied to existing confirmed reservations. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye bye.